but because I'm on Swedish time, it's extra late. So India has moved the apartment around to get ready for my my leaving. I knew this was gonna happen, but still, I don't know if I was ready for this. Everything's different. Yeah, that's alright.
Your flight is ready for departure.
I'm in Denver. Connection, 6 hours. Taking a little plane over to Telluride to meet up with Squirtus, but gives me a chance to edit some footage, and I might actually record a podcast while I'm down here. It's quiet and I've got time.
This is the last and final
It's
call.
kind of quiet.
1718.
Take care, guys. Yeah, but I mean, we get there at 9 o'clock. You being creepy out there, Squirt? Like a phantom in the distance. Welcome back. Telluride. That was the smallest plane I have ever been on. Looked pretty cool. So I think we're gonna go grab a beer, and then Curtis wants to go on a gondola adventure. Oh, okay. Curtis's good idea is to take the gondola at midnight. Get the fuck out of here! Why are we up here? Curtis using the gear that I gave him. Behold, Telluride. So today we are making our way to that point right there. It's called Scuffles. Sneffels? Snuffles? Sneffels. Snuffles. What are you doing?
Flying a drone.
You shooting photos or video?
I only do photos.
So I'm doing a 9-minute time lapse just going towards the peak that we're climbing. And it should be like a good, here's the mountain, here it is, kind of intro shot. Jesus. Curtis of the Ghost Tribe. Started raining as soon as we took our first step. So we just put a pause on the hike. How many miles have we done?
2.4.
Made it to where we're gonna sleep. I love this spot because you can hear the stream. We're up above where most people will be camping, so we're secluded. Tomorrow morning, we're gonna summit. We're in the alpine zone, which means no trees, just this brush and rocks. Feels and looks like Rohan. We've got this pretty little lake. disgusting looking Just wearing day packs. Bye campsite. Mount Scuffles is gonna be my first 14er, which means a mountain above 14,000 feet. We have been blessed by the mountain puppy. You're so tired. Hi. Good job. Good job, pup. Good. What? Why are we doing this? Because it's fun. You can see so much from up here. Oh, yeah. Alright, first 14er.
First one?
Done.
Nice, boys.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Woo! Feels great. Oh, Curtis, look. Curtis. That's awesome. So thirsty. Ready to go. Yeah. We did Scruffles.
What are you doing?
What's your name? Callie. Callie. Hi, Callie. Just wait here.
Yeah. Might as well.
Go get him, Callie. Do you see the person? Okay, we're going to assume that Callie made it back to her mom and dad. On we go. We made it. Let's go get some beer. Hopefully wings. We've made our way to a free campground. Just getting it. Ooh, fuck. Damn, that's bright, boy. That's really bright. Importing footage from all the Colorado hiking stuff. And we're at this free, did I say free? Camping grounds, nice. All this stuff is probably gonna stay. And this is the stuff that I'm bringing to Curtis to keep here because it's more camping based. And this is Hank. Hank likes to just sleep in his little cage. He's such a good puppy. Okay, so today I guess is like the first day that I have nothing to do. I'm just out on my own. Curtis is letting me stay at his apartment while I'm here in Colorado, but it's definitely not forever, you know. It's never fun to stay at someone's house on the couch. So right now I guess I'm just fighting that feeling of like, did I make a mistake? Am I doing the right thing? What am I doing out here? Am I really living out of a backpack? Why did I leave New York? I just gotta keep busy. So I'm gonna go get some coffee, watch the Apple event live on my phone, computer, maybe get some work done, think about editing the travel vlog from the mountain. And I just gotta think about what videos I wanna shoot. Like, I've got a long list of things I wanna do as far as videos and podcasts and collaborations. Gotta get on it. So, I was feeling a little down. I was freaking out a little bit this morning just because I was like, what do I do? What am I doing? But I feel better. Life goes like this, and when it's bad, it won't always be bad. So you just kind of have to be patient. I want to get better at enjoying every aspect of life, the good and the bad. Finding some kind of positive and just like being okay with every aspect of what's going on. I need to work on my mindfulness. Right, Hank? It's all good in the hood, right? Yeah, you're such a good pup. Good boy.
Who moved my seat for?
I moved your seat because no one in their right mind would ever drive all the way back like that.
Fucking redoing my seat? What do you think this is? You come to my house.
This is Dallas.
You sleep on my couch. You get my wife's name right. It's Christina.
We're going for a run. How many miles we doing?
However many as you want.
How many is a one? Was it like 3 miles? 3 miles. Road work ahead. I sure hope it does.